I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and making the receiver discoverable. This lets them see each other. Once done, unlock screens and check device names so you pick the right partner. From the sending device, open Bluetooth or the sharing menu and choose Pair or Connect, then verify the code on the other device and accept. This establishes a secure link, a handshake that the transfer will use, so make sure the pairing completes before moving to file selection. You now pick the files to transfer, open your file manager or gallery and multi-select the items you need. Then tap Share and choose Bluetooth, select the already paired device from the list. The sender will start pushing data while the receiver shows an incoming transfer prompt. Accept it. Monitor progress bars and estimated time. Large files take longer. If the OS suspends background tasks, keep the sending app in the foreground and avoid sleep to ensure the stream doesn't pause mid-transfer. You finish by waiting for the confirmation message and verifying the files open properly on the receiver. This confirms integrity. If something goes wrong, first cancel and toggle Bluetooth on both devices, then unpair and repair. Often that clears a transient issue. Retry sending smaller batches if large transfers repeatedly fail, and make sure the receiver has enough free storage. One quick troubleshooting tip: move both devices closer and turn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.